Hi everyone, my name is Victoria with Buildex Design, and I'm here today with Plexon Construction.
Hey, it's Bill. This is one of our many projects that we have in the downtown core. We specialize in multiplex conversions. Working in tight spaces in the city is our expertise. Let's go inside and have a look.
For this project, we have a single-family detached home that we're converting into a fourplex, and then a two-story laneway suite in the back.
It took us 2 weeks to gut the entire interior and get us to the shell of the home, and another week to frame everything. So it goes up real quick.
So on the ground floor, we're splitting the main floor into 2 units, one front studio unit and then one back studio unit.
We had a garage similar to the garage next door. We had to demolish the garage to make room for the new pad that's going to be installed for the laneway home.
So we're here in the basement, and you can see that it's very low ceiling height, and we're actually going to fit one whole unit here. So it's very common in old Toronto homes that we have really low ceilings. So as a result, we're underpinning. We're going to get another 1 or 2 feet, and that will allow us to meet building code. On the second floor, we fully gutted this floor, so that allows us to fully insulate. We're going to spray foam and meet the energy efficiency requirements of MLI Select. We have a bedroom on the front and then a bedroom at the back. The ceiling, we're actually going to rip this out entirely and bring it up, so it's going to be a double height ceiling, tons of beautiful natural light. If you're looking to do a multiplex conversion, reach out to us for design at Buildex Design, and
reach out to Plexon for the construction.